Sonic the Hedgehog here. You probably can't really see me that well. Yeah, here I am. Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm really sorry for some guys. Anyways, we were just playing some Sonic 2 on this Sega Genesis. You might be wondering, where's the cartridge? Well, we got a special version that has like over 80 games on the Genesis. And and I'm not really going to be doing any gameplay. I'm just in the local spot listening to some music. As you can probably hear, I have Mystic Cave playing. So, also, for some reason, my Genesis plays sound a bit deeper than it's supposed to. I don't know why. Like... It's just so creepy! What is so creepy? Whee! Ah! I just threw something. Oh God! Change the song. Oh wait, that. Ow! So yeah, we're just gonna listen to some music. Oh, that's a death egg. Oh, here was Mystic Cave. Oh, that's a multiplayer one. Oh! Oh! Huh. I want to say that's Sky Chase. Yeah, it's gotta be Sky Chase. Chemical Plant. What? What stage is that from? It can't be Emerald Hill, but I'm pretty sure it's not Chemical Plant. Don't think it's that one. That one. That one. Not that one. Not that one. I don't think any of these zones have this music. Wait a minute. Couldn't this be from one of the deleted zones of Sonic 2? Ah, oh, geez, why can't I remember the name? I think it's, oh yeah, Hidden Palace. Hidden Palace was actually originally planned to be in Sonic 2, but then got changed into Sonic 3. And or technically Sonic and Knuckles. Honestly, I somewhat prefer this theme over the other one. Mainly that's because this one is one that isn't really used. Although if you guys don't know, with the Christian Whitehead, the one who created Sonic Mania, the one of the people who helped make Sonic Mania, was actually made a Sonic 2 port for the Android and iOS, and Hidden Power Stone was restored. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually had that plan from the start. I remember this from Sonic Classic Heroes. No, not the special stage! Oh god, it's so creepy! Oh god! Oh. We skipped that one. Oh god! Ah! Ah! Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Why? I didn't think it would get so loud. Then that was the Death Egg one. Or no, the one robot thing. Just listen. So you know how the ending theme to this game sounds so happy before? It sounds so happy, but now it just sounds so creepy. Here we go. It doesn't sound happy anymore. It sounds like sad. Oh god, no, not again. Just... And now it's all quiet. Oh, Supersonic! Sonic 2 Omochao Edition? Anyone? Okay, I'm sorry. I had to do that. That sounds like I got a game over. That sounds like I died forever. My favorite sound in the game. Sounds like a creepy laugh. If you edit it right, it sounds like a creepy laugh. Or it sounds like Woody the Woodpecker. As if he sounded like that. You know what? Wait a minute, that sounds like the Sonic.exe thing. Wait a minute, I played this one thing where it's one ROM hack, I can't remember what it is, but it's like you place your Sonic 1 and eventually Sonic.exe will start chasing you. This sounds exactly like that! Oh, dead. Hello, hello, hello. Sounds like I can hear it saying hello. Sonic can't decide how many times he wants to die. That sounds almost like a pig. Oh no, the Genesis fell! Oh god! Okay, I seriously need it. Why is it so loud? Because I want to be... Woof woof. Yo, yo, yo. This is like a banjo. Or some creepy voice. Constantly saying yo. Oh god! That sounds wonderful! Oh! Oh, that sounds better! Why did I do that?